former Royal Australian Air Force pilot accused of murdering his wife and staging her death as a tragic accident has been committed to stand trial for murder in Brisbane Supreme Court. Robert John Crawford, 49, appeared before the Ipswich Magistrates Court on Thursday for the second day of a committal hearing. Now, when asked by the acting magistrate, Sue Gunnison, if he wished to respond, Mr Crawford simply said, "Not guilty, Your Honour." Now, Robert was charged with the 2024 murder of his wife, Toowoomba psychologist Frances Crawford, who was found dead at the couple's rural Upper Lockyer property on July 30th, 2024. Now, emergency services arrived just before 4 a.m. to find Miss Crawford at the bottom of a retaining wall near a ride-on lawnmower. At the time, Mr Crawford told the police he had been asleep when the incident occurred. Prosecutors allege Mr Crawford strangled his wife in a fit of rage before positioning her body to appear as though she had been fatally injured in a lawnmower accident. Forensic pathologist Dr Andreas Kedazora testified that Ms Crawford has sustained injuries to her head, neck, ribs and lower limbs. While these injuries could have been consistent with a lawnmower accident, Dr Kedazora said he could not rule out other scenarios, including strangulation. One possible interpretation of the injuries, he explained, suggested Miss Crawford may have fought back during the attack. Further suspicion was raised through electronic evidence. Crown Prosecutor Chris Cook told the court that Mr Crawford's phone and the encrypted messaging app Signal was manually activated multiple times during midnight and 4 a.m. on the night of Ms Crawford's death. Detective Sergeant Timothy Robert, one of the first officers on the scene, described the case as an obvious unnatural death that required deeper investigation. He did confirm that Mr Crawford was not considered a suspect in the initial stages. Mr Crawford was arrested shortly after the incident and has been on bail since May this year. He's no longer employed with the Australian Defence Department. The matter will now proceed to trial in the Brisbane Supreme Court, where the jury will ultimately decide whether Mr Crawford is responsible for his wife's death.